Let's learn how to easily remove a status from WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So if you've posted a photo or a video on your WhatsApp status, but now want to delete it completely, watch this video until the very end. The process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. So if you are an Android user, follow my steps. We want to open the WhatsApp application on our device, and then we want to click on the status icon in the bottom left corner of our screen. That's gonna get us to this page where we can see our status at the very top of the screen, and we can also see the statuses which our WhatsApp contacts have posted. In order to delete or remove our status, we want to click on our status at the top, and we'll get to this page. After that, tap on these three dots, and a falling menu will show up with a bunch of options. Simply select the delete button, and then delete one status update. Now, your WhatsApp status will be deleted and removed from your WhatsApp account. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. And if you want more WhatsApp and other tutorials, make sure you subscribe.